you looking for a high quality and reasonably priced fence for your home or business? Trying to install your own can be expensive, time-consuming, and simply not safe. We don't care whether you're trying to keep something out or in. We're here to provide you with the best fence in town at a price you can afford. We pride ourselves on our diverse experience and unwavering expertise, able to build the exact fence you're looking for quickly, easily, and efficiently. Simply give us a call and we can discuss your requirements. We can get you set up with aluminum fencing. Whether you live in a suburb, on a farm, or in the city, we're guaranteed to have the fencing you're searching for. So don't sit on the fence. We're ready and waiting to help you out. Call us for your free, no obligation quote today.